I just want to do a very quick walkthrough for you to show you how to actually upload the template to your site. So as you can see on this page, there's a big green button at the bottom that says upload your website template. So if we click on that, it's going to take us to a place where it's uploading the template. Now this may take a few seconds, so just be a little bit patient, because what's happening is that the system is loading all of the code onto your computer in order to upload the site. So there we go, your new website has been uploaded. And now all you really have to do is go ahead and customize this template. And of course, that's what we're going to show you how to do in the training. But there's something else that I want you to do that's very important. The very first thing that you must do before you do anything else is go up to the top and just click the little save button. Now, if you are not logged in at the moment, then it's obviously going to ask you to log in. But as soon as you log into your account, then you'll actually be able to go ahead and save the template. Right, so obviously what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log in. Now, if you were already logged in, clearly you wouldn't have to do that. But as I was not logged in, as I'm showing you this, which may or may not be actually the process that you're going to go through, I just wanted to show you that this could actually happen. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and save your site. And I just want you to call it anything that you'll recognize, but go ahead and call it maybe master site. Now, just something to note, be very careful, because you cannot put capital letters in. And if you do try to put a capital letter in, it'll simply ignore that letter. So just make sure before you click the send button that you're actually happy with what it's called. So we go ahead, and now that we're happy with it, we go and we just click send. And what it's going to do now is it's actually going to go and save. Tells us that it's saving. We're going to click save one more time. We're just going to wait for one last confirmation, and now it tells us that all of our changes have been made. Now, I'm inside my site, which obviously has a whole lot of sites in it already because I've been using it for some time. But for you, this is going to be completely blank. But what you will see when you click here under the drag and drop editors, you'll see my sites. If you go ahead and you click on my sites, then what it's going to do is it brings up all of your sites, which in your case should just be one. And you'll see here it says master site, which is what we saved it as, and obviously you'll have whatever you used to save it. Now, as you can see, it's kind of grayed out. Nothing can actually happen. So the very first thing that I want you to do is to go ahead and duplicate the site by clicking duplicate. Then it asks you, are you sure? You go ahead, you say yes, I'm sure. And now it's changed successfully. And now what you can see is it says master site copy 1. Just give that a second. Master site copy 1. And the reason I want you to duplicate it is just in case something goes wrong and you ever want to go back to your master. That's why we called it master site. So from this point onwards, you can actually go ahead and edit your site. A little bit later on, I'll show you how to activate it so that when you see this one's in blue, if I was to click that one, it would actually open the site. At the moment, it's not open, but you don't want to make it live right now because you've got a little bit of editing to do. But as soon as your editing is finished, then you simply go back to the more options and you click publish. In fact, let me do that for you. I'll show you. So I click publish. Is it okay? Yes, it's okay. And what you'll see is that it's going to, you get the big message up here. It says change successfully. And now you can see it's actually blue. So now it's a hyperlink and you can actually click it. So if we go ahead and we click that, what it's now going to do is it's going to open the site for you. There you go. Well, so now you're 100% set, and you can actually go ahead and edit the rest of your site, which of course the rest of this training area will equip you to do.